Good morning all, this is Caleb with you again for another tips and tricks video. Today we are going to be focusing on the dollar sign here. So let's get into it. For example, if we were looking at the Conair 133636, this is a dogging device for 1686 and 1786 panics. This is something we do sell a lot of here, pretty common product we've got on the shelf almost always. So looking it up here, you could see it. Figure, say you forget this part number, or you remember you bought it a couple months ago and on the receipt you remember it being $58. Simply come up to the search bar here and we'll type in the sell price of the product, and it'll spin for a while, but it will eventually pull up everything listed under $58 on the price. You can see here we've got everything pulled up with that $58 price point. Looking through here, I don't see it anywhere, so we're going to go to the next page and see if we can't find it there. Alright, we're on page 2 here. Scrolling down, looking. Okay, and here it is. So you could pull it up, if you remember the part code, that's easy enough. If not, you just remember the price. That is another way to use that dollar sign to find what you're looking for. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.